Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
If your team is editing Salesforce flows every time you launch a new marketing campaign, you've got to stop. You're wasting time and building technical debt. My name is Danny, and I'm a consultant at Solved. Every manual tweak to a production flow is a roll of the dice. One wrong click and your entire automation breaks. But what if you could set it and forget it? Today, I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. We'll talk about a dynamic mapping system, and it's a way to let your business scale and launch new initiatives without touching a single line of automation logic. Let's look at a common scenario. Your marketing team launches a new campaign. When a lead comes in, you need that flow to automatically assign a product based on that campaign. This could also apply to scenarios like creating new tasks or generating quotes for these campaigns. The old way we see all the time is to open up Flow Builder and add an additional branch and possibly even hard coding the ID. In this example, we have campaign A and B, and then product 1 and 2. The issue with simply adding another branch for campaign C and product 3 is that this is not a scalable solution. The other thing to mention here is that hard coding IDs is like the cardinal Salesforce sin. It's not scalable either. If you were to take the solution that you built in Sandbox and then move it into production, because you use the hard-coded IDs, they switch between that process and that breaks your whole flow. Beyond that, every manual edit requires testing, documentation, and admin hours for even just a simple data change. So how do we solve this problem? Well, we want to move the logic out into a table. It's very simple. Instead of telling the flow what product to use, it tells it where it should look to find the product. This is done using custom metadata types. You can think of custom metadata types as a spreadsheet that your flow can go and check. Here we've created two mappings so that the flow can look up the product by the campaign. In the actual flow, we can just use a get records element to get the campaign product mapping from that list. So when marketing wants to create a new campaign, they just go in and add a custom metadata record to that table, and then this flow will handle it automatically. That means that they don't have to go and contact the admin. The flow stays locked, the logic is safe, and the production environment is stable. By switching to dynamic mapping, you're delivering three major wins to the business. 1, agility. Marketing can pivot and add products in minutes instead of days. They're now empowered to manage their own data. 2, cost savings. You're no longer burning expensive admin or developer hours on flow maintenance. And 3, reliability. You test the logic once. Since you aren't changing the flow every week, the risk of breaking change drops to near zero. If you want to automate your business, book a free call with us at Solved today. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.